Let's season our pork belly with salt, and pepper. Just mix it nicely. And we set this aside. Let's fry our eggplant. Set this aside. Fry our pork belly. We fry our pork until it's fully cooked or golden brown in color. Just be careful when you're frying it. You want to make sure that our pork are fully cooked. That's why I cut my pork very thin, so it's easier to cook. I'm just cutting the bigger pieces into smaller pieces. And also, we're going to set this aside. Now let's cook the other vegetables. Just boil water and add a tablespoon of sugar. This is our beans. Now let's set this aside. Next, this is our baby bok choy. Now we set this aside as well. And also our water, don't throw away your water. We're going to use it later. Now let's heat our oil to saute our minced garlic and our onions. Now let's add our peanut butter. Mix it nicely. Now let's add the water that we used to cook the vegetables. The one that we set aside before. Let it come into a nice boil. Now let's make a slurry. A mixture of water and a flour or cornstarch if you have. I'm using just 1/2 of pork nor cubes. So let it melt nicely. I'm using sauteed shrimp paste. This is already our salt, so I'm not using salt. Mix it nicely. Black pepper. And also our paprika for a nice color. Mix it nicely. Now we're going to add our slurry. Mix it nicely to thicken our sauce. Wow, it's perfect. Let's turn down our heat. Now it's time to add our pork belly that we set aside before. And our vegetables. This is our eggplant. And now our bok choy. And also our green beans. It's looking yummy. This is it, guys. It's ready to serve. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, and until next time.